Hey, welcome back. Imagine being held by your arm off a cliff by a perfect stranger. If you've ever had to rely on someone you didn't know to get something done for you, this sensation can be all too familiar. Delegation is a part of being a designer or owning a business that can be a real growing pain and learning experience. But with a little bit of thoughtfulness applied to the situation, the rewards are often worth the risks. There are plenty of reasons to delegate. Depending on the context of the project, you'll save time on a job. 2 heads can get an 8-hour job done in 4. 3 can get it done in 2 hours and 45 minutes. This opens up the possibility of taking on additional jobs, which can, in turn, make you a little more profitable. Not a bad deal. It can improve the quality of the work because you can hire more talented people, and will let you pull away from the project a bit and get a better sense of the big picture. Being saturated on a project can make the work suffer. Additionally, it can expand your abilities and service offering. The great thing about designers usually is that they're naturally curious. Most designers will have a few things they're good at. Discover and praise these skills. Nurture the curious side of the designer and you'll discover all sorts of skills and talents that you can offer to your clients. When you grow your service offering, you further legitimize your product offering. Not that you should be great at everything, but if you can make a case for why your company is great at design and research or illustration and photography or something like that, your clients will often start to package purchase more services when appropriate to their needs. Here's a few reasons not to delegate. Something that can be tempting to do is to delegate to get things off your plate for the sake of just getting them off your plate. While tempting, your disconnection to a project can often be amplified by somebody else taking it on. If you don't care about your project, why should they? You may want to release yourself of the responsibility of the project. At the end of the day, you're agreeing to take a project on. It's on you whether it succeeds, and even more so if it fails. Don't use others as scapegoats. It's just rude and you'll tank your integrity with your clients and colleagues. One last thing though is you may not want to delegate. This sounds obvious, but the fact of the matter is sometimes a busy business owner or head designer feel like they need to delegate because that's what good leaders do. I disagree with this. If you want to work on something that you're good at and you care about, you might be the best person to see it through. Don't take the joy out of your job needlessly. If you feel you need to delegate because you're overwhelmed, see if taking a deep breath and stepping away for 15 minutes to clear your head will help. Sometimes you just need a fresh set of eyes to make a project sing. I've been in the situation where I've delegated design work out to freelancers to see if I could take on other jobs. I've had this come back to bite me and I've had this be a complete success. The key that works for me is to establish a good understanding of what people are great at and also what they love. If you can identify that, you'll find the team members that are a great fit for a particular task. To avoid painting yourself into a corner, have the resource in question do a test run or trial session. If you need an illustrator, have them show you a portfolio of their recent work and clearly set up expectations so they can hit whatever target you're painting. Remember, it's not fair to the people you delegate to if you move the target or change the expectations midstream. Send me some of your thoughts. Have you ever had to delegate work? Has it been a total nightmare? Have you had it become a smashing success that led to a long-term relationship with that designer? Why do you delegate? Or why do you not? Let me know. Send me a note on Twitter and Instagram and I'll post some of the best insights and projects. Thanks so much. Have a great day.